mass mastering tutorial. My name is Gbadege Baradum, and I'm very happy that you are here. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and like the video. I'll be very happy that you do that. Thank you very much. Let's go straight to the topic that is before us today under differential equation. Let's look at solution of a differential equation. What is a solution of a differential equation? A solution of a differential equation is a function that satisfies the equation given and provide a relationship between the variable involved. What does that mean? It means that the solution of a differential equation is a function that do what satisfy the equation given and provide a relationship between the variables involved. For example, for proper explanation on this solution of a differential equation, if you see they give us y plus 5 equals to 10, in this case we know that if this 5 plus the 5 plus the corrective side will become minus 5, so y is equals to what? 5. And if you put y to cross check if this is an equation, that if this y is a solution to this equation, you put this 5 in place of this y, you see that on the left hand side you are having what? 5 plus 5 is what? Is 10. And on the right hand side we are having equals to 10. So this 5 now balance this equation and make it a solution. So the same thing is applicable to this solution of a differential equation. You say that a solution of a differential equation is an equation or function that satisfy the equation given and provide a relationship between the variables involved. See that this y now, it provides a relationship between the variables involved. So let's look at type of solution of a differential equation. We have general solution and particular solution. Types of solution of a differential equation. Number one, we have the general solution, and number two, we have the particular solution. Let's look at them, what it means. A general solution, look at general solution. A general solution is a solution that contains one or more arbitrary constant. That arbitrary constant is C. You can see C1, C2, or C3 based on how many constant we have in the equation. So a general solution is a solution that contains one or more arbitrary constant which represent an infinite family of a particular solution. It represents an infinite family. For example, when you see 2x squared plus 3x, 2x squared plus 3x plus c equals to that 2x squared plus 3x plus c. See that that c is a constant, and that c can be 20, can be 100. So we don't know the actual specific value of that c. So that's why I say a general solution is a solution that contains one or more arbitrary constant which represent an infinite family of a particular solution. I will explain that more in our example. Let's look at particular solution now. Let's look at a particular solution of a differential equation. What is a particular solution? A particular solution of a differential equation is the solution that is specific obtained from the general solution by assigning specific value to the arbitrary constant. For us to get a particular solution, we get the particular solution through what? The general solution. The general solution is the solution that have what? A constant. So, but the particular solution, we obtain a particular solution by having a specific what? Value which substitute the constant. So let's look at the example of a general solution and a particular solution. Okay, let's look at the example. Example 1, they say that we should find the general solution of the differential equation dy over dx equals to 4x. This is a differential equation because you have a derivative and an unknown function. So it's a differential equation. They say we should find the general solution of the differential equation dy over dx equals to 4x and the particular solution when y equals to 1 and x equals to 0. Let's look at it. The function. Okay. As you look at the example, they say that we should find the general solution of the differential equation dy over dx equals to 4x and the particular solution when y equals to 1 and x equals to 0. How are we going to solve this question? Number one, you need to understand that dy over dx equals to 4x is all over 1. This 4x now is also all over 1. Because if you say 4x all over 1, it's the same thing as 4x. For it to be in a proper fraction form, we divide this 4x all over 1. And in this case now, what we are looking at, before we find the solution to the differential equation, you must make the all every value that attached to y, that y attached to be on the left hand side, and every value that x attached to be on the right hand side. So that is why we cross multiply. And when we cross multiply, 4 dy times 1 is going to give us what? Dy. Then the x times 4x is going to give us 4x dx. So in this case now we integrate both sides. We integrate both the left hand side and the right hand side. This integral sign will cancel this d here, remain what? Y. Then on the right hand side we have integral of 4x dx. You know that a constant we multiply the integral, then we integrate the x. When we integrate this x, we are going to have this x have a invisible 1, so we add it with plus 1, also divide it by 1 plus 1. That's why I have 4x squared all over 2. And 2 go into 2, 1. 2 go into 4, how many times? 2 times. That's why I have y equals to 2x squared plus c. You know that in integration, we always attach with the constant. And this 4 and this constant now mean the arbitrary constant. So therefore, our y is equals to 2x squared plus c, and this is our general solution. Why it is a general solution? It is a general solution because we have an arbitrary constant which is c, and this c we do not know the specific value of this c. That is why we call it an arbitrary constant. It can be 2, it can be 100, it can be 1,000. So we do not know the actual value of this c. That is why we call it the arbitrary constant. And this constant, because of the presence of this constant, it makes this solution a general solution. That is what all general solution is all about. Now let's look at the particular solution. So from our general solution, we know that y equals to 2x squared plus c. And for us to get the particular solution in this case, they give us a boundary, a condition, the initial condition. And the condition that they give us, which is y equals to 1 and s equals to 0, it is called an initial what? Condition. So in this case, anywhere we see y, we substitute what? 1. Anywhere we see x, we substitute 0. So in place of which our general solution, which y equals to 2x squared plus c, we substitute 1 in place of y, we have y 1 here. Then in this case, where we see 0, we put 0, x we put 0. So 0 squared is the same thing as 0. So 2 times 0 is the same thing as 0. So our constant here is what? 1. Our constant here is 1. So from the general solution, we know that our c here now is what? Our constant c here is what? 1. So we make the solution as a particular solution, which is y equals to 2x squared plus 1. And this is our particular solution because we know the actual value of our c, which is 1. This is what general solution and then a particular solution in differential equation mean. Thank you very much. I'm very happy that you are here. God bless you.